Welcome to Romptin Grove, your one-stop channel for all things calming. Please do us a favor, hit that like button and subscribe for more soothing content. Today, we delve into some hobbies you might want to try when you're feeling stressed. These are indeed challenging times with school, work, relationships, inflation, and the virus that shall not be named. But worry not, we've got you covered. First up, we have photography, a hobby that not only beautifies your memories but also calms your nerves. Photography is like a gentle symphony for the senses. As you focus on your subject, you connect with your surroundings in an intimate, grounding way. The physical activity involved in photography releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, which promote a sense of well-being and satisfaction. The silent click of the shutter, the vibrant palette of colors, and the gentle hum of nature create a serene environment that helps you relax and unwind. The joy of capturing a fleeting moment into a lasting memory can be incredibly rewarding, giving you a sense of achievement and purpose. So why not grab a camera and start capturing? Your mind will thank you for it. Next on our list, cooking. It's a hobby that feeds your soul and your stomach. Imagine the sizzle of a pan, the chop of a knife, the aroma of fresh herbs. This isn't just about preparing a meal, it's about creating a masterpiece. Cooking demands focus, creativity, and a dash of adventure. The outside world fades away as you immerse yourself in the rhythm of the kitchen. It's a dance of flavors and textures, a symphony of sizzles and pops. And the best part? You get to savor the fruits of your labor, a scrumptious bite that rewards not just your palate but also your spirit. So put on that apron and whip up something delicious. It's therapy, with a side of yum. And last but not least, hiking and nature walk. An activity that brings color to your life. Stepping out into the vibrant hues of nature is like walking away your anxieties, one step at a time. Hiking is a wonderful outlet for emotions that might be difficult to express in words. It encourages exploration, a safe space to unwind and immerse yourself in nature's beauty. Each stride is a step towards tranquility, as the rhythmic motion can be almost meditative. You don't have to be a famous explorer or an experienced hiker to enjoy nature walks. It's all about the journey, not the destination. So whether trekking through dense forests or a simple walk in the park, hiking or nature walking offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle. So lace up your boots and walk your stress away. There you have it, 3 hobbies to try when you're feeling stressed. We journeyed through the tranquil world of photography, the savory realm of cooking, and the peaceful universe of hiking and nature walks. Each offers unique benefits, a visual masterpiece, a culinary creation, or a connection with nature, all providing a much-needed escape from the daily grind. What do you think? What has helped you to de-stress and unwind? Tell us in the comments below. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Until next time.